Looking to make something truly special? Today we are showing you how to cook snail meat to perfection. And not just any dish. We are teaching you how to cook Nigerian pepper snail for that bold and irresistible flavor. Let's turn up the heat and get cooking. And so here I have some snail that has already been deshared. So the only thing I need to do is to wash the slime off from it and use it for this delicious recipe. But before then, here are the other ingredients we'll be using to prepare this snail. And so I have garlic, ginger, scotch bonnet pepper, cayenne pepper, and a ball of onions. I'll set it aside. Here I have also already diced red and green bell pepper and some sliced onions. I'll set it aside too. I'll also be needing some tomato paste. I'll also be needing some lime to wash off the slime from it. So I'll bring back the snail, cut the lime into two, and squeeze the lime juice into it to wash it. If you don't have lime to wash your snail, you can also use alum, pap water which is akamu water, or white garri to wash your snail. This also helps in removing the slime from the snail. And after squeezing the lime juice into the snail, next we'll wash the snail. Please ensure to wash the snail one after the other so that they will be very clean. And after washing the slime off the snail and becomes clean, we transfer into a pot. Then I will be adding some curry powder to it. Also go in with some thyme, salt, and seasoning cube. And after adding this ingredient, I'll mix together. And after mixing together, I'll add some chopped onions. As you can see, I did not add any water to it. Allow to simmer for about 7 minutes before removing it from the heat. And next, we blend our pepper mix. So I'll be transferring it into a blender and blend not too smooth. Please, if this is your first time of seeing my videos, I want to say thank you so much for clicking to watch. Kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that when I upload new videos, you will be notified. And after blending, transfer into a bowl. You can see how it looks like. Not too smooth. This is the consistency I want. So I'll be setting this aside. Next, I'll be bringing in the cooked snail. After cooking the snail, you can decide to grill it or fry it before saucing it. Or you can sauce directly without frying or grilling the snail. But I prefer grilling mine before saucing them. So I'll transfer the boiled snail to oven tray and grill them for just 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, this is how they look like. And let's add some vegetable oil to a frying pan. Allow the oil to heat up, then go in with some diced onions. Allow to fry for about 2 minutes. And next I'll be going in with the tomato paste. Mix together and allow to fry for about 2 minutes. And after frying for about 2 minutes, I'll be adding to it the pepper mix. Mix together and allow to fry for about 3 minutes. And next I'll add to it some curry powder, thyme, and stir everything together. Also add to it some little salt, then stir too. And after frying for some time, I'll be going in with the red and green bell pepper and onions, then stir together. This I'll fry for just a minute so that they will not be overcooked because we're actually using this for garnishing of the snail. And next I will add the snail to it and allow to fry for about 3 minutes. I want to use this moment to give visual hug to Sunrise. I want to say thank you so much for your love and support. I appreciate you. God bless you. And to all my wonderful family out there, thank you for your massive support. God bless you. And after 3 minutes of frying, here we have our delicious and mouth-watering pepper snail. Thanks so much for watching. See you in my next video.